Hey guys, I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at and installing these affordable LED DRL headlights, complete with the chrome housing, smoke lenses, and clear corners, available for all 99 to 04 New Edge Mustangs. Now you guys should be checking out these headlights for your New Edge if you'd like to go with, I would say, a slightly more aggressive headlight compared to stock, thanks to things like the smoke lenses and clear corners, but at the same time, you'd also like to kick in things like the modern DRLs, thanks to the daytime running light LEDs. So diving into our big features here with these lights, and you're going to be looking at a combination of the smoke lenses with the clear corners here, working together with that diffused LED bar. It's going to do a great job of kind of framing the main headlight area here and adding a subtle touch, again, that subtle modern touch, all at a very affordable price point. Now that diffused LED bar will act again as a daytime running light, and that will illuminate anytime your parking lights have been switched on or your headlights have been switched on. And it does contribute to that more modern look that a lot of the newer Mustangs are incorporating. Now transitioning into construction here, and as I mentioned earlier, the LED DRL options will give off aggressive aftermarket vibes, but at the same time they still do maintain a bit of that OE feel, thanks to the combination of the chrome inner housing working with the same basic factory layout as your stock headlights. Now that DRL bar or daytime running light bar will separate your main headlight area from the turn signal portion over here in that L shape, and I'd say it's really not even noticeable when the headlights are off, which I really like. It's kind of a subtle, low-key thing, but then once you fire them up, they really do come to life. Now, those chrome inner housings are going to be topped off with that smoked polycarbonate lens. It's always going to add a killer look, I think, for any Gen Mustang, but specifically the New Edge cars, if you're going for that smoked out or blacked out look. Now, finally, guys, the lights do not include any brand new bulbs, so just keep that in mind. You can either use this as an opportunity to upgrade to something a bit brighter, or just simply transfer over your stock bulbs from your stock headlights. Price point for the DRL options will live in that mid to high $100 range here, which can be another feature in my humble opinion, as these are super affordable, but once you take a step back and look at the rest of the category, you'll notice this is pretty much on average when we're talking about aftermarket lights that kick in some sort of bonus accent LED lighting. Now, on the other hand, you will certainly find more expensive options on the site from a company like Raxium, but as always, guys, I'll encourage you to check out the rest of our selection here at AM before making your final decision. Last but not least, let's get into the install. And because these LED DRL headlights do mount in the same fashion as your stock headlights using that simple 2-tab system, it's gonna be a pretty straightforward job. So therefore the site's gonna call it a solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking about 45 minutes or so to complete from start to finish. And I will say a majority of your time will probably be spent doing the additional wiring needed to get the DRLs fired up. So just be prepared for that. Very easy power and ground stuff. But to give you a better idea of just how this install will go down in the garage or driveway, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
For this install, you will need wire crimpers, T-taps, and male spade connectors. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some headlights on our Mustang, but before we get started, we're going to send you to watch a quick clip on how to remove your factory headlight, and we'll see you when you get back.
All right, first step here, what we're going to do is look at these 2 pins after we pop our hood. So with these pins, they're basically retaining the headlight into position. You're basically just going to pull up from under them and pull those pins straight out. They're a little bit long, so you just got to pull all the way up. Do that for both, and now your headlight's loose. All right, so what we're basically going to do is just wiggle this guy out. There's one harness and you see it just popped off, but if yours does not pop right off, it's basically just a pinch and disconnect, and then you have one more on the corner here. And for this, you have basic locking tabs on the side, so you just pull up on the tabs and pull it straight off.
All right, guys, welcome back. Now that we have our factory lights out, there's a couple things we need to do first before we can install our new lights. Now, these are going to reuse our factory bulbs, so we're going to pull those out, swap them over to the new one, and we're also going to need to add some connectors onto our additional wiring for our DRL setup. So, we'll grab our lights. Now, these just twist out counterclockwise. We'll pop our factory lights out. Now, this one tends to get stuck if you try to turn it counterclockwise, so you can go the other way as well, just until it becomes unseated. Pull that out. And for our headlight, this is going to unscrew. And and that's going to pop right out. Now we'll install our lights into our new assembly. Get this in position. Got to find its seat. These tend to be a little bit stiff. We'll just lock that into place. We'll get our retainer off for our new headlight. Line this one up. And reinstall our retainer. So these headlights have an LED DRL function, which we're going to need to add in some connectors to the wiring on here, as well as the factory side of our wiring on the vehicle. So we're going to add male spade connectors to our wiring. Now these do come pre-stripped, so we'll grab our connector, get that in position. We'll grab our crimpers and we'll crimp our connector down onto our wire. Give that a good squeeze. Then I like to give them a light tug after crimping just to make sure our connection is secure. We'll do the same thing for our negative. Now once you've got this one prepped, you can do the same thing for your other headlight. Now to connect your wiring that we added our connectors to onto our vehicle side, you'll notice we already have T-taps on our wires, but how they function is they have a metal saddle that you're going to hook around your factory wire, and then that will clamp down onto the wire cutting through the sheath, and then you can plug your male spade connector into the side. So now we'll connect our LED DRL wires. Now this is going to go to the black wire on our factory DRL plug for our black wire, and then our red wire is going to go to our brown wire. We can swing this over, get this connector plugged in. It does get a little bit tight in here with this wiring. Make sure that's secure. And we'll swing our headlight over, plug our main connector in for our headlight. Now this should have a safety tab to snap in right there. And we can set our headlight in place. We can reinstall our retainer pins. Now these may be a little bit tighter than the factory ones. So you have to push up on your headlight a little bit. Put these into place. Now once you have this side in, you can do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up our review and install of our LED DRL headlights and chrome housings and smoke lenses for your 9904 Mustang. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.